All right, upper school. This was the beginning of the assignment. Now it's time for us to do the ending of the assignment. We have all of these colors left. We have 10 colors left in our pile, and we have 10 spots left on our sheets. So let's go ahead and do another 5, put them in order. So if we're still going in our rotation this way, we ended off on like a scarlet and red orange, and we're going to pick back up down here. So we need to go back into our reds, okay? Let's go back into our reds. So find all the ones that remind you of red. I have these, and there's one. We're gonna have to do all of these because our reds are only 4, and we have 6 left for blues and purples. Okay, so you guys are upper school. You got this. Let's go ahead and knock the rest of these out. Put these 4 in order. We have our pink. This one is a red violet. Violet is another name for purple, so that's dark. This one is violet red. That has to be dark. And then you have red. Okay? Let's see if we have it right. Pink, red. Ooh, this violet red looks a little pinkish, like a hot pink. So I think this pink should go next to that violet red. I think so. I think that pink should go next to that violet red. Let's go ahead and do these purples. This purple is purple. It's violet. I'm going to pick up the other one that looks close to it. It's blue violet. This one is a little dark. This one is blue. This one is blue-green. I love blue-green. Blue-green reminds me of turquoise. Cerulean. Cerulean is pretty cute too. It's a nice watercolor. Okay, so whenever you're doing water, this color will be a nice one to use. And then the last one, which is indigo. Okay, so let's put these blues, these purples in order. Okay, this one right here, this blue-green, it's blue-green. So this one definitely goes in this spot right here next to the green. So let's go ahead and knock that one out. Knock that blue-green out. We know you go right here because you're bluish and you're greenish. Okay, that color is put away. Alrighty, next to that one, that will look a little bit more bluish. I think it's this one, which is cerulean. And then I think next to this color will be regular blue. So regular blue right here in the middle. Okay, let's knock this one out. We're working backwards. We were supposed to go to the reds, but the reds only have 4, so we're missing one. As you all can see, Miss Prejean messes up too. Look at that. I colored outside the lines. Ugh. Ugh, my paper. Slow down. Color neatly, Miss Prejean. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's a cool light to dark pattern over there in this corner. All right, what was next? Regular blue? Let's get it. Let's see if this regular blue will hide my mistake over here in this corner. Let's see. Yep. Didn't even know. Can't even notice that I messed up. Color, 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 color. Alrighty. Now, our blues are going into purple. Blues are going to go into purple in this corner. They're going into purple, and then they're going to come out and be red. So, if they're going to go into purple, the blue that looks, the purple that looks more bluish is indigo. And then the next one that looks more purplish to this one is blue violet. That one goes there. Let's knock these two out. Put that one back so I can color. I like to just try to get so much space covered, but then I go back and I cover all my white spots. Miss Prejean does not like white spots. White spots gives me a messy artwork look. I don't like white spots. Let's get that blue violet, because that blue violet is next. We are creating some value, you guys. Value. Light to dark. We're changing colors. Miss Prejean's paper is colored all the way to the end. Go to that scratch paper and color the ends of that paper. That's a level of completion, you guys. Put that crayon up. Remember, you're still working at your pace. You can always go back, pause the video, start over. Okay, so here's the tricky part. Here it is. I think our red, this is a tricky part because this one has more purple into it. Okay, we have to think about stuff before we do it. Wait a minute. Miss Prejean is missing a color. Yes, I am. It's right here on the floor. And it is purple. That purple one goes right there in that corner, you guys. There goes that purple. In the purple, this color looks more purplish, which is red violet. Of course, it's going to look more purplish, Miss Prejean, because the word purple is in its name. If you see a straight line popping up on my paper as I color, it's because my paper is up under it. We'll be learning that later on when we cover texture. I love texture. Okay, put that crayon up. We don't have crayons just all over the place. You have crayons all over the place, you're gonna lose them, just like Miss Prejean did. She lost her crayon, had to pick it up. Next color I believe is going to have to be this violet red. This violet red blends in a lot with the red violet. Remember, this is just our scratch paper, so that's going in the trash. Our next color is going into what color? What is this going into? It's going into pink. Let's go ahead and use pink. So my girls, if you ever want to create a dress or a bow tie and you want that dress and the shirt and you want everything to just be pink, you don't have to use just this one crayon. You can use all three of these, and all three of these will create a beautiful pink dress. The dress can be one color, the shirt can be another color, the bow can be this color. Hey, you got it. And last but not least, this color is going to, the red is going to match more with our color that's down here at the end. But guess what, you guys, we're on our last shape and we're done. All done. 4th grade, 3rd grade, upper school. You all have reached a level of completion. Do not throw this paper away. You can use this paper for the rest of the week and for the rest of your artistic experience because it shows you what your colors look like next to each other. So stop just using just all red for fire. You can use red, all these colors right here for fire. You can go all right here, all 4 of those. A sunset, you have yellow. You can do these 3 for more of a sunrise, and then you can go here for sunset. Sand, got it here. Grass, you can use all 3 of these colors actually for grass. Miss Prejean doesn't like just one color grass from 4th grade, but here you guys go.